Or I'm going to put the lights in. So I think I want. So I also have this beautiful. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what, you guys? It's Christmas season and we have started to decorate, which is awesome. Well, for this Christmas I've decided to go with pink, black and gold, y'all. So for the first part of my video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be putting up my curtains. So I'm changing out these curtains to these lovely pink and gold ones. I recently had some deep cleaning done, so I really don't have to deal with that part of it. I am so happy that I got the help, because guys, I recently did a dental surgery and honestly I am so tired and out of it, but I really wanted to start my Christmas decor, because if I don't start it now, I'm not sure when I will ever start, y'all. So let's just begin. Let's get right into it, you guys. Y'all don't judge me. My letter is let me just check and see if it's in the wash. It's on the back porch, y'all, and I'm not going for it. I'm being honest. So I'm improvising. I hope I don't fall. I will be showing you this, you guys, up close. Oh my god, you guys, this is this is gorgeous. It is. I'm absolutely so happy with this color. Oh my god, I have been telling my husband for the last I would say for the last 2 months how excited I am to put on my curtains for Christmas. And y'all, let me just give you a close-up look at this color, y'all. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. Let me just give you guys a look at this, you guys. So this is a part of my Christmas decor, and as I said, I am going with pink, gold and black, and I'm already in love, you guys. I think I got sparkles here because I already started taking out some of the decor, so I am just getting rid of those, because I don't want anything in my way when I'm putting up my tree, y'all. Except that I know sparkles will fall on the ground once you start putting up the tree. But so you guys, this is my Christmas tree skirting for this year, and oh my gosh, you guys, oh, look at the details on this. I don't think I could be any more in love with this. Oh my gosh, y'all. And take a look at this pillow detail that is for the skirting as well. It's a part of the decor, and I am, oh gosh, you guys, I'm so in love. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys, listen, I am absolutely in love. Okay, that's enough of that. So So that is where I will be putting my Christmas tree, guys. Just put in, I screwed the piece of the Christmas tree off. So I'm going to put it in the box. So I have the second part. Last year my husband was here to help me decorate. Now this year I decided I'm going to decorate before he gets back because he's not here. So as much as how I have been through it all this last week and this week, honestly, you probably didn't want to see me a few days ago. I was so out of it, but I am slowly but surely getting back. But one thing I can say, those painkillers, once I'm not driving, they're like miracle workers, you guys. And that's the only problem. Like, if I'm going to drive or I'm going on the road, I can't take them. So I'm in such distress, overwhelming pain all the way here that goes all the way up to my brain. But once I'm home and I'm able to take it, I'm a lot more relaxed. I'm not in terrible pain. My surgeon said that it's gonna take a little while for everything to heal up, but as soon as all the healing is done, you guys, your girl is gonna be, anyways, that's for another video, y'all. But I'm so happy that I am I'm feeling better and know that I've gotten those done. Alright, so this is the second part of the tree, so let's just get to the third part. This is the only part I cannot take, you guys. This is the part where the pieces from the tree just falls onto the skirting, and then you're gonna have to vacuum afterwards. Oh well. And so this is the top. For some reason, I don't know why I have not thought about buying a bigger tree as yet, but I don't think we need one right now. Honestly, we don't need a bigger tree right now. I don't think so. I think it's just a waste. This is hard work, you guys. I mean, like, literally is. Like, I'm over here feeling like this is a whole job in itself and I should be paid. But the greatest thing about it is that I don't think I want to be paid. Because for some reason I like doing this. I don't know. I like it. Like, Christmas is like, I mean, even if I don't really do a lot of things during the Christmas time, if I have a beautiful tree and I'm able to just relax with a cup of tea, and watch a nice movie, I'm happy. And that's me. So again, now that we've almost finished fluffing the tree, I will be adding, I think I'll only be adding maybe 1 or 2 lights between the branches before I start adding the decor. So it's not really tall. I don't know. I mean, thank God it's not really tall, because I'll be standing on a ladder like the whole time trying to do the top. But eventually I may have to, because everybody is getting bigger. But let's see, maybe God's willing, a year or two. Let's see. Where that takes us, right? I'll just pray on it, y'all. So now I will be adding the lights before I start adding any form of decor. So I'm gonna put the lights on the inner part of the tree and then add the decor as we come out. So it gives the tree a little bit more fluff as you come out with the decor, especially if you have bigger decor that makes your tree look fluffier. You want to bring them out on the outer, like almost like a skirting for the tree, so the tree looks fluffier as you add them. I hope it doesn't look mean. So you guys, we're gonna start decorating the tree now. So this is the pink one that I have. It's 100 lights and this is about 18.5 feet. I think this should be good enough. I don't want to do too many pink lights because pink does stand out, so you really don't need a lot of the pink in order to have a beautiful standout color. And as you know, when you start out your initial decorating, everything is everywhere because you need the decor to be out, so you figure out what you're using from what you're not using. So I hope it will all come together in the end. But let us see. This is the same, and these are clear mini lights. So I'm gonna add these as well. Ooh, I think this is, oh Lord, this one is 20 feet. Whoa, this one is long. So you guys, this is a job in it. Guys, I've just figured out the best way to get the lights in between the different layers of the tree is by fluffing it while you're putting in the lights, because honestly I realized since I started fluffing it, it's working in so much better that way than when you try to just take your time to get it in there. The best thing to do is fluff it while you're putting it in. So I'm just gonna add the other one now. Oh my. No matter what I'm going through, give me some nice decor. Anywhere, it doesn't have to be my decor, anybody's decor, and I'm happy. Anybody's Christmas tree decor makes me, well, as long as it's pretty. I don't know. I'm not the best at decorating. Guys, we have a problem. See if we can find